with me today. I'll be making the solar plane from the 6-in-1 educational solar kit. You're going to need your solar module that you've already made. You're going to need your gearbox, which you already made. The pieces from the collection it comes in, as long as a bigger base. 2 9cm wires and a possible paperclip which you've used before to connect both the gearbox and the solar module together to charge it with natural sunlight. So first, I'll take the B2, which is the propeller, and stick it, let's say place it into the front, well, not really the front, more the bigger and the pointy end of the gearbox, making sure that the pointiest bit of the moving part of the gearbox is facing upwards the same way that the B2 propeller is facing, so it should fit in quite well, just like that. Making sure it spins, doesn't fly off, so it doesn't fall out my hands either trying to take off. Next you take your fin looking thing, also known as the B8. If you're looking at the instructions, you place it onto the little kind of upper crease of the gearbox. You should place it there. Should go in quite nicely. When you hear a click, you know it's in and you know it's secure. Kind of move it up a bit just in case you have the excess stuff on your moving parts. Next, you take the B9, which is this. You place the, let's say, the pointier end into the bottom hole of the gearbox. So it should go in just like that. So now it should look something like this. Then you put the bottom bit of the B9 into the slot, the front slot of the A7, which is the bottom base, and you should have something that looks like a propeller, an upside down propeller sailboat. Next you take your A10, which is your wrench looking tool, I guess. You place it at the other end or the other side of the base, and take your solar module again with its pointy bit. You should be able to have it placed into the A10 so it moves around freely and can be moved around. And next we will have the wires. So again, with the wires, you just make sure they're twisted first before taking them out, so you know that there will be less frayed wires to deal with once you take the coverings off them. Do this for both the white wire and the green wire to save you much time. So this bit may confuse people as to why it happens, but you connect the minus to the minus and the plus to the plus. So it seems like the green wire goes minus to minus and the white wire goes plus to plus. I'm going to be attaching the wires together now. The green wire going to the positive side, both positive sides, the white wire going to both negative sides. As you can see, I have taken the solar panel and the motor off its stands just to make this process a bit easier to do. So I shall first connect the white wire to the negative side of the solar module using the paperclip that we've used in previous videos as a help, as a guide, as a way of making this process a bit quicker, should I say. bit quicker, a bit easier. Be like a bit of a helping hand, so to speak, if you're doing this on your own, like I am. Nope, that didn't work. Let me try that again. Sometimes with a failed attempt, your wire becomes unspun, so just spin it back up again. And repeat the process again. White wire to the negative side of the solar panel. Checking that the side already plugged it into is the right symbol. So again, plugged it into the negative side of the solar panel. Take the clip out. There we go. So now again, I do this for the green wire. Green wire goes to both positive sides. We have the green wire going to positive side from the motor into the solar panel. You can use the paper clip again as a guide to help you if it's needed. Again, if you're doing this on your own, it's almost like a helping hand, so to speak. Oops. Make sure not to lose your helping hand, otherwise you'll be stuck for a while, or you might have to go get another one. There you go. So repeat the process again, just thread the wire through and push the wire through, shall I say, and voila! Both things are on the correct sides. Positive to positive is green, negative to negative is the white. So now you place them on top of their perches where they rightly belong. And there you have your solar plane. So quick rundown of the things you're going to need: solar module, gearbox, your two 9cm wires, propeller, also known as the B2, stand B9, fin B8, pivot A2, and your A7 is your base.